Hi, I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and I'm here to discuss the safest tile for bathroom showers. Okay, the safest tile for bathroom showers is always going to be a small tile. Now I have a 2x2 tile here that's a matte finish, so it's not a high shiny tile, and it has a lot of room for grout, because when you want the least slipperiest tile, you need to have a lot of grout. You can also use a 4-inch tile here, which I have, and you can see the difference in the size here between the two. And a 4-inch tile for residential in your home is also a safe tile, but it's going to be slipperier than the 2x2. I also have here a 6x6 tile, which again you can see the difference, that it's much bigger, and therefore it's going to be even more slipperier than the other two tiles. Now, if you're more worried about how it looks and you want the bigger tile, that's okay. Just remember to be a little more cautious going in and out of your shower. Now, this 2x2 tile that I have here is a very safe tile, but if you can find this in a 1x1, that would actually even be a little more safe, because you have more grout in your grout lines, and that's what grabs your foot. If you take your hand and you rub it over the surface of the tile, you'll see what I mean. A tile that has more joints, you will feel the bumpiness, and that's what your foot's going to grab, especially when that tile is wet. So you will notice if you go to a school gym or any kind of a professional gym, the shower floors will almost always be a 1x1 and sometimes even a 2x2, but I have not seen anything in those type of situations that are larger than a 2x2 tile. So for safety, always use a 2x2 or a 1x1 tile in your bathroom showers. I'm Robert Herdan with West Oaks Tile, and you know what the safest tile is for bathroom showers.